How's it going, everybody? Hope everybody's having a good day. We're up 3,700, something like that. Waiting for open, so we're going to see now what happens here. See what it gives us. See what we get here. Got a couple trades in this morning. Let's see. We got first one here. I went to go when I seen it dipping down, and it came down below this. I thought I was gonna pull back up or shoot back up pretty hard. Came, pulled back, so I got stopped out for that one. I got short here because I thought, well, okay, it's going to continue down now after that one, and got short again here, and then it ripped all the way up here. I was like, I think I was down 2,000 or something like that, and then it came all the way back down. I think I got it for 13 points, so still it was something. It was 700 altogether or something like that, so still a good trade, but actually got it in a pretty good spot, because I would have been alright to go a little bit lower, but probably would have chewed me up. And then after that, I got long here, and I got short here. After I seen that start to fail, I got short here because I thought I was done. I thought I was going to start moving down after this candle built up, but then it did a little bit, but then it pumped right up. So I got stopped out, and that was for 700. And then I got short here for 640, and I took one for break even here, I believe it was, and I got a short here for 120. I had another one besides that too. Yeah, 640. Okay, so that brought us back up to our 1,600 per account. So just seeing what's going to happen here to open, see what it's going to do. Thanks everybody using the code with Take Profit Trader. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate it. It's a huge help for my small channel. And everybody that's subscribed, thank you so much. You guys are deadly. Huge help. I'm going to try to get more. I'm going to try to go live a bit more after this. But basically now, for me in the morning, I'm just going to look for the 15-minute opening range breakout. That's all I really need. Once I get close to open, like I normally try not to trade too much in the morning now because I've been getting chopped up lately. Sometimes it's fine, but other times it just kills me because stuff like this starts happening. Well, we're getting close to open now, so. But yeah, we'll wait for the first 15-minute candle and we'll go from there. But yeah, Take Profit Trader too. They got 30% off. Somebody was telling me that they were getting rid of the promotion that was going to be gone, but apparently it's not. So I don't know. Somebody had said they got an email, but I didn't get any email, and I've been saying it because they told me. So, but apparently it's not going anywhere yet. So that's great news because you get 30% off, no activation fee, which is like for me 165 bucks Canadian, or 165, 171. So it was like 130 American, something like that. And you got no daily loss limit, so it gives you so much more room, and especially for like 25Ks and stuff like that. So much easier to pass them and fool around with them, so it gives you a lot more drawdown. But I figured this was coming down to here, and it's probably going to after the open. Come down, sweep this, and then I'm thinking something up. Maybe move up after that. But that's what it seems like it's going to do. Hopefully your morning's going good as well. You need a good trading morning. Like I said, if you don't, and you need some accounts, code JW, Take Profit Trader. Also, my code with Apex is KRKOSMRD. I got to get more. That's what they told me. They're like, yeah, you don't have any affiliates yet, so I got like 2 or something like that. And he's like, yeah, you need more, because if you don't get more, then you got to keep using the crazy code. Because I want them to get, I was like, can I get code JW? That's what I got for everything else. My Precision Funding is code JW, which they got 90% off too. And I said my Take Profit Trader, I only got 3. And Apex is this crazy code. And they're like, no, not until you get more. I'm like, oh, okay. So it's just going to be this Crunkle code. I'm like, alright, fine. Whatever, man. But yeah, again, thanks for everybody using the code. Really appreciate it. Huge help. What are we going to get? Like, see, that's what I'm saying. Like, I think this is coming here before it does anything. Down to the 76. And I was waiting for that. I was going to kind of let this one go. But I was like, it's going to open soon, so it might just pop, but I was like, we'll see. But look at it, it's just gonna go. Might wait till open, but it could dump before. It does it all the time now. Minute 20 till open, so we'll see what's gonna happen. But yeah, I think it's gonna dump first. It might pop a bit and then dump, but I think it's going down. Clear all of this, then I think we're gonna be looking to the upside. I think it's pretty sure it's down there. Yeah, just kind of right here. Like, it's not far to go. But now it could go right down here, down to the 200. All depends how much of a dump we get. But I don't know, I like to see it go back up, especially after that big dump last week. Like all this, right? Like that was huge. So be nice to go start filling some of that stuff, sweep all this, start moving back up. You don't know. Don't know what it's gonna do. Open now. You pump back up a bit, start moving down. This could just be a dump day too. Might just dump right on down. Could very well be. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. I'm a little anxious to get short because we hit here 3 times, like 3 smacks, and we failed. So I think the next time after it sweeps and it comes up to here, it's going through. I think strong. So I'd rather just let it run down now. We've got a pivot down here at 9:30, so you don't know. My disc could just dump massively. But I figure at least here, maybe get a bounce here, then look to get in. I don't know, it all depends. Yeah, there it is. I should have stayed short, I guess. You get a reaction from that, I wonder. None whatsoever. Right on through it. Keep going. Wow. Yeah, we might just go right to here. What did I say in the daily? What was it? Daily, it was 18,200. Well, I don't know. Maybe after all day. It keeps going down like this. Could be. A reaction. Well, there's going to be a little reaction here at 50, but maybe a bit at 20, and then maybe the 1900s, but it looks pretty dumpy. It looks heavy. This could be just a down day. Right, like this could just dump. Yeah, I don't know. There you go. So we're definitely right about the down. I figured we were going to sweep back up though. Maybe we will, but back up to the 50. You're gonna make something out of this, or is that just 50's trying to hold? So it might get back above that sweep low. This is 74s, 72s. New candle. 2 minute. See how this reacts after it gets back up in here. React to the 80s maybe. 13, this is the low for now. Right, that's what I was saying. If it swept this, start moving up now. After all that downside we had last week. Oh, I guess it was Friday, was it? I'm not even sure. Yeah, like that's huge. You know what I mean? And this don't mean anything either. Could just come up to the 100 and dump back down. Right. You can't go by that. You could just swap at some sellers and start moving back down. Wouldn't want to try one yet. Too soon. I gotta wait for the 11:15. It's the only way. So if I don't, then it'll pump me and dump me down, and I'll be off the head. But why did I even bother trading that? 3 seconds on this candle. So this could back to the 80 maybe then. Can't get over the 80. Right? Let's try a little one. I would like that to push through that time, but be nice. That would be a good setup. Take it back down at the 1913. Take it off because I don't know what it's going to do. It seems like it wants to go back up. Right? It seems like I don't want to continue down. It's not moving. There's news at 11:30, I believe, my time. So 11:15, Chicago PMI. So yeah, 4 minutes. So I might just sit here. Probably good we got it out. I thought it was 11:30. Futures pointing to sharply lower open on Wall Street. Right, that's what I was worried about. But I would have worked. Would have got it down to our 13. But I was worried about it bouncing. Said news in 3 minutes. It jumped in long, rode us right up. But then it'll dump. Right, this only makes me question it, but now it might go. But this wick, as soon as the touchdown here, come back up. This wick touchdown, come right back up. So tells me there's a lot of people wanting to buy it down there anyway. So realistically, maybe a little dip down again and up maybe. I don't know, but kind of got that look. But then again, it could just dump down through, and this pivot point's sitting down here, remember, so they'd love to get touched. Yeah, this could just free fall. News and news now. Any news after that? No. Is that going to bring us to the pivot point, I wonder? I think so. Bunny range is set. So say 1900-ish. What's the So that's 194. It's a bit of a range. Just almost 200 points. Now, is this squeeze right back? I don't know. Not with that pivot point there, though. Back to the 20, maybe? Maybe a little higher, maybe the 50s. I like to see the 50s first. 50s and then look to get short, but I might just dump through. Bouncing off that area low. $50's not much to ask for here. Bring us up to point of control. I'm gonna try it. Should have stayed in. It's gonna go. Why pussy out on those fucking trades? Like, watch. It's gonna go to the 50s. Oh my god. I think I just blew up so many accounts. Now I'm paranoid. It's going to the 50s. I know it is. I know it is. Maybe not. Right to the 50s. Just go. What did I make? $256. What's my drawdown like? My drawdown's good. You know what I mean? Like, just gotta hold my trades. seen it. I seen it happening. Boom. Right to to the line. Oh my god. Now what? Bounce off this and back down maybe? If it even goes to that, and back down. New candle in 10 seconds, yeah, up a little bit, and then new candle down. Or maybe up. I don't know, but I think down. Value area high. Right there. We'll see. Right? Why didn't I just hold to the 50s? Ugh, my god. I'm my own worst enemy. I lose myself more money just by being stupid. See? I'm like... Could keep going here though. Because that's what I was saying. Sweep and look for highs again. But now, it didn't go to that pivot point, so... Until it gets down here, I'd be kind of a little weary. But that would be a good short. Would have been a good short. After it hit that. I think I go all the way back up to the top of the 15-minute opening range. Can you imagine? Seen stranger things. Hundred's about half of this, just under 100, so comes up to here and fails. Continue down here, maybe? Up to the 80. Value area high. Value area high. Reject here, move back down. Or do we just squeeze back up? It's about halfway there. Question is, do we fail here or push? Because it looks squeezy too. Looks like it could squeeze right on up. Right? The candle in now. Close at the top. Push up to 34. Yeah, this definitely could squeeze. This definitely could squeeze. Bounce off value area high. Or just squeeze. Don't even go back to it. 62 right here. Say 80. 80 and then up. It's just gonna keep going up. And look at that. "32 seconds left on the candle. Depends where we close here. We close back down here. 5 seconds left. Could leave a big wick. Make a little dump down. Back up to 34. Try short here, small one. So this might just power through, so we gotta be careful. But look for it back down here somewhere around the 80 to get out. But it's so strong. It's a big movement up. Yeah, we'll take it off because I don't know what it's gonna do. I'd say 80 though. 80 is right here. I gotta hold longer. Getting into my trades too fast. But sometimes it works out because it might just, it's too much strength to the upside. It might just pump. Or it'll just do exactly what I wanted to do. Right to the 80. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Trust your trades. Trust your trades. Look at it. Bounce off it again and then run up. Run up higher. Exactly. Exactly. Get through the 34. It's just going to rip. Rip right back up to 15-minute opening range breakout, I'd say. "40 seconds left on the candle. Squeeze back up to the top and opens up here. It's going to push at least up. At least to the 62. And then probably continue squeezing right onto the high. It's going to close. Looks at the top of that candle. So if it does, yeah, look for it to squeeze. Squeeze back up. 10 seconds left in that candle. Yeah, it looks like it's going to squeeze. Yep. Should take my own advice. Looking for the 62s. All depends. 50s might hold it down, but I don't know. There's a lot of momentum. A lot of shorts getting taken out. So, later buys get hit, drives it up more. So this might flash squeeze here. Well, it's pivot point there though. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Yeah, it might pull back a little bit, pivot point. But I think it's still going to squeeze through it. But yeah, pivot point right there at the 42s. Interesting. I still think it gets through. Still think it gets through. Maybe it doesn't. Or it's just coming down, building up some strength. Value area high too, so bounce off that again. Continue on up. There it goes. Still stalling a little bit though. Let's get more sellers in before it goes. Let's get everybody suckered in. Everybody going short. And then it pumps. Oh, maybe he's going to jump. I don't think so, but... This is basically halfway, though. A 50-minute opening range, so... It stays down there. Starts working on its way back down, but... I don't think so. But anywho, man, 5,400, 5,500 for me today, whatever, my Apex eval, so that's enough. I'm good. I got one almost there. You know, they're 4,500 or something like that. So we're almost done. Keep going. Thanks to everybody again for using the code JW for Take Profit Trader, and people using my crazy code for Apex, KRKOSMRD. And thank you to all the new subscribers, and you guys are awesome. I really appreciate it. And please like and subscribe, notifications, all that stuff. And I'm going to try to start doing this every day a little more, coming on for at least an hour or so live, and show a little bit of how I trade and what I look at and how I think, or what I think is going to happen. Been getting a little better at it, so if it helps anybody, good. You know what I mean? It's not financial advice, obviously, because I haven't made any money, so don't get excited. But at least it's getting better, and everything's starting to get better. And with more people subscribing and more people coming on is a really big help too, and it gets it out there more, so I really appreciate it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for me. So hopefully you have a good rest of your day, and hopefully your trading goes well. And